Welcome everybody, this is Paul with Diamond Express. Today we're going to section off our parchment paper on our home diamond painting. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our X-Acto knife right here and we're going to section this off, and let's do it 3 by 4. Okay, so we're just going to kind of guess right here. It's not rocket science. We're going to press down lightly with the sharp edge, and I think about a third, a half is here, about a third is right here. You know what? Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Let's do that. Okay. So here goes 1. We're just pressing down lightly. 2. 3, 4. Now, what I should do is I should put some lines on here for this, just straight across, or somewhat straight. I could use a ruler. Doesn't have to be perfect. I think what I'm going to do is flip this around so I can just go straight down on each one of these things. And I'm not pressing too hard because I don't want to cut into the felt. But I do want to just score the parchment paper. Okay. Put the knife away so we don't cut anybody. And we know this is going to be 1. I'm going to just go down like this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I probably should have marked these, the vertical ones as well. There we go. This is going to be 8, 9. There. And now we have our parchment paper is numbered and ready to go square by square. And I believe I can just draw these lines down here like this, which is what I should have done before I even cut it. There we go. There we have it, numbered, sectioned, ready to peel off each individual square. Because we've scored the parchment paper, should be easy to peel off. Gives us the opportunity to peel off a square and work for about 30 to 45 minutes at a time. I'm going in columns, and so I've numbered it from top to bottom. Personal preference, either way you can number it across and make it look like a calendar. The point is you've got individual squares you can peel off one at a time to kind of section off your work and keep you motivated. Maybe do 1 section today, or 2 sections, or 3 sections. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.